How you can delete your WhatsApp account. Guys, in this video I will show you how you can delete your WhatsApp account. If this video will helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our channel. Without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the WhatsApp. After that, click on the three dotted which are on the top right, and then click on setting. After that, click on account. After that, click on deleted account, and then you will write your contact number which you want to delete, and then click on delete account. After that, you will select a reason for which reason you want to delete your account. Then any reason you can select here. Then click on delete account. Then again click on delete account. And in this way you will see the account will be deleted. Guys, in this way you can delete any account which you want to delete, and then anyone will search on your WhatsApp number, then he will see that your number will not be on WhatsApp. Guys, I hope this video will helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.